Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's vlog is a thrift flip. As you can see in the video, I am wearing an oversized blazer and I got this for only $1 from a thrift store. Without further ado, let's start with the revamping. The first step is to unstitch the sleeves. And then set aside. Next, separate the top from its bottom by cutting. For the width of my top, it's 15 inches. This is a crop top, that's why it's short. You can make yours longer if you want to. Add 1 inch extra for its raw hem. Then cut. Next step is optional. I'm just making the armpit area smaller, so I'm reducing 2 inches from it. Fold the 1 inch extra. Next, join its sleeves temporarily by using push pins. I intentionally left more fabric at this spot because I want to make the sleeves puffy. Now let's move on to the skirt. Mark 3 inches. Then cut. I have here a pellin. I'm adding it to the waist to give more texture to it. I'm just putting it back, but now with the pellon. As you can see in the video, all push pins are gone because I base stitched my coordinates. I did this because I had to try it on before doing the final stitching. This is a good tip for beginners in sewing. You can do a base stitch first before doing the final stitching. Just in case you need adjustments, you can easily do it. The skirt is almost done. I'm just placing its automatic snaps. Let's go back to the crop blazer because it's time to backstitch the armpit area. stitch this area as well so that the raw hem will be kept forever. Transformation is about to end. Thank you so much for watching. If you're amazed, then why not click the like button? Subscribe as well if you want to see more upcycling videos. That's all for now. This has been Eliza. See you in my next one. Bye!